Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do a Beebeecraft project share. This will be the second video I'll be putting up for Beebeecraft, and I will link all the products down below in the description box, that what I got, plus their website and the Beebeecraft YouTube program. Now, if you want to participate in that program, I'll have the link, so you go ahead and click on the link. And if you have 100 subscribers or more, you'll be able to participate in their YouTube program. They'll have you pick something that's $40 or less, and all you gotta do is apply, and then they'll get back to you, and you pick out items that are $40 and less, and then they ship it to you, and you review their products on your channel. So I will have a coupon code, Pamela 5, for $5 off if you spend $40 or more. So I'll have that also linked down below. So check out the links of their website, the YouTube program, and my coupon code, plus all the items I had gotten. So on my video, and I'll link a card here, that I got some of these in my haul. And then I got some of these little sparkling ones, and they are so pretty. They're so, they're just really, really pretty, and they're really, really thick. I really like that. I'm going to show you what I made, and then I will demonstrate an item. So we'll move these to the side. So these is what I made with the bows. So, and these are from Bona, from Instagram, and there you go. This chain is from Beebeecraft Babe, and so are the beads here. And Beebeecraft Babe, and there is my, see, there you go. And this little girl. And these beads are from Beebeecraft Babe. And then that's, obviously is from Beebeecraft. This one's a longer chain. I used a thicker chain on this one. These are my stash. Another one. And this chain again came from Beebeecraft Babe. These also in the spacers came from Beebeecraft Babe. And these were in my stash, and this is from Beebeecraft. Beebeecraft. Okay. Some items here I put this together with the, what do you call that? The bow and the pearls. These are what I got out of their package, part of their thing they sent me, the beads. So let's get that on there. Okay, so let's put this together. So I already glued that with some E6000. This is from Bona from Instagram. I purchased these, and these are the bottle cap. And just click it down. Gently take it off. If you have a hole, do the best you can with measuring. Click on that and gently take it off. So 2 holes. Okay, and then I had these in my stash. It was part of what I got from Michael's a long time ago. Let me put you on pause. Okay, so I'm going to put on my, it's a small little seed bead. I like to have seed beads. It should be fine without it, but like that. And then I'll put a little one on top. These are out of my stash here. Okay. And then put another seed bead on. Like so. And I'm kind of lazy when it comes to wire wrapping. So I like to use my little, I do wire wrapping. I just sometimes, I just don't like doing it. I'm just not in the mood. So we'll just put that in here and just make a ring. I like this tool. It helps make a ring. And as you can see, it makes a ring, and you can just help it a little bit by, you know, see if we get this to focus. I have glue on my fingernails. I apologize. Just kind of twist it a little bit. Like that. Then you do the other one. And then we'll do it with these two. Let's see here. Kind of help it a little bit. So I got those all done. So let's see here. Get one of my larger jump rings. Or, nope, we're going to use this right now. We're going to take our chain. Okay. Take this. And we're going to put the orange jump ring down. Like that. So it can hang on. Sorry about that. Sorry for my arm getting in the way. And just kind of move it like that, like so. Use my other jump ring. Actually, I like to use a thicker one on this particular. So I'll get my larger jump rings. Move it this way. We'll put one on top. Here. Sorry, I thought I was in frame. And then take where we poke the hole. It's hard to see because it's black. Okay. Okay. Like so. So we just put it on and moved it like that. Kind of just like that. So we have a long chain. And let's see here. I was thinking about putting this one right here. So above. Like so. So let's do this like that. And then we're going to take these that I got from Beebeecraft. I missed one here. And we're going to put it like right here. Oops. Tighten. I'm going to put it right there. Like that. And I didn't put forgot to put a crystal on that one, but that's okay. And we're going to put the other one right here. Like that. So. And then we're going to put a couple right here. Right there. So let's get another orange one. Like so. And then I have my other one. And take this black one. Okay. So that's what it's looking like so far. And then I got these that I got from Michael's, I don't know, a few months ago. So I'm just going to take, because I wanted to use them. So we're just going to take that. Oops. Yeah, not like that, but I'm just going to reuse the jump rings on it. So there's the spider web. And I'll probably put it here. Close it up. Like so. Okay, and then I got this one here. So I'll pause you and take these off real quick. So I got the next one off. And we are going to add it to the other side. Okay, that. So I got them all on. So far, we're going to put this one on the top. And we're going to add our lobster clasp. We got this beautiful dangle, I don't know, bottle cap. I thought it turned out pretty. I love how it sparkles. I love the sparkles on those. And here we go. So that is my project share / tutorial on my second video for Beebeecraft. Let me know what you think. Please give me a thumbs up. Go check out Beebeecraft's links, and go check out their YouTube channel for their YouTube partnership program. Check out my coupon code, Pamela5. And I hope you like what you saw. Thank you everyone for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.